Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Rachel Caskey Art here, and today I'm focusing more on a craft than art. I was inspired to upcycle those wee yogurt jars. I have a ton of these sitting around that I plan to upcycle. I watched some YouTube videos and was inspired to paint them, and I found some lids for them on Amazon. I'll show you what those look like. They look like this, and I got a set of 12 of them on Amazon for around $15, I think. And they come with these cute little labels that you can write on them with like white chalk pen. So I just simply painted 3 of these so far. I have many more to go. I painted 3 of these so far, just a plain white using gesso. I'll show you the gesso I used. I used Liquitex Basics Acrylics gesso, and I just used a standard paintbrush and painted over the glass after I obviously removed the label. And I used alcohol wipes to wipe off the jars first before painting them. This way there was no loose, dust or anything on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these labels on and show you what it looks like with the label on it and the lid. And maybe that'll inspire you to do something with your wee jars instead of throwing them away. So that's what the label looks like, nice and clean. And look how the lid fits. Just pop it right on, and voila. And I think I'll put a label on the other side too. Actually, nah, I'll save the labels. I'm not going to use them all on, too many on one. But yeah, it's cute. And I don't know. Oh, you know what? I do have a white. I have lots of art supplies. I have supplies galore all over my art studio. And one of them I have right here is a Craft Smart white paint marker. So that should work just fine on this. Just gonna shake it up a little bit. Oh, this one doesn't make a noise. Does this one make a noise? This one's Artist Loft. Oh yeah, this one makes a little bit of noise. Let's see what the tips look like. Okay, that tip is different though. It's pointed, like angled. I like this one better. So I'm gonna try to use this one. And let me see. What should I write on this? I don't know what I should write on it. I guess you could write, somebody's name on there, or if it's like to hold buttons. I do have a bunch of buttons I can put in here. So I'll put on here, I'm going to label it buttons. As the French say, parfait. And that's not the yogurt kind. So I'll just throw some buttons in here, and that'll be a great way to store them. So I just bought some buttons recently at a craft shop. So just throw these in here. Got a little ASMR going on with that noise, huh? And there we go. And you can store your buttons easily right in there. And I also have a bag of beads that I need to put in a better container, so I can do that as well. Let's see. So not only am I making a video and making a craft, I'm getting organized at the same time, which is a big deal for me. I usually work in chaos, so let's throw these beads in here. All right. And I'm gonna put a new label on this one. All right, label is on there. Let's put a lid on it. Perfect. And I'm going to label it with my paint. Oh, there goes the lid. That's not good. So we're gonna put beads. Beads. There you go. That one's done. So now I have 2 cute containers and I'm getting organized. All right, do I have anything else I can organize over here that will fit in here? Oh yeah, I have some like little brown beads that I can put in one, so let's do that. But first, let me pick up my paint marker cap. There we go. All right, so here's the third one I have already painted. I'm gonna adhere that label. There we go. And I put these beads in here. I'm a mixed media artist, so I like to use a lot of different media in my art, including beads and buttons. It's always good to have that kind of stuff organized. So we're gonna put this one. That's satisfying. All right, and we're gonna also call this, I'm gonna call this one brown beads. And I believe these are, you can actually wipe these away and put a different, you know, you can write something else on it if you didn't like what you had on there or need to change it. So that's helpful. So brown beads. There. So now I have buttons, beads, and brown beads. And now I can put them all in a row and it's visually satisfying and organized. Well, thanks for watching my channel and following along with my silliness, and I hope to see you again here soon. Have a good one.